Good morning, everyone. Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my home office here in the great state of Georgia. And guys, I want to tell you, I am so excited. First of all, I want to tell you all still happy holidays. I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. But I could not wait to get this out to you because I wanted everybody to go in having a wonderful Christmas, not feeling like Cassandra is sharing another opportunity and I'm trying to get ready for Christmas. I got the hustle and the bustle of relatives coming in, planes, trains. It doesn't matter how they came in, but they're here. They enjoyed the holidays, and you guys are cruising right into the new year. Well, guys, what are we doing for the new year? What are we having planned for the new year? Do you have your multiple streams of income in tow? Have you already started the process of doing that? Now, as many of you all know, 30 plus years in the industry, I started offline with direct mail. And I fizzled right online in 1998 and really became proficient at it in 2002. But as time goes on, you know, technology allows us to be able to grow by leaps and bounds. And now so many of us are listening to the whole ho hum of AI technology. Well, where would we be without AI technology? Well, first and foremost, because it's been declared and proven that majority of us are walking around with that smartphone, mobile device, whichever term you want to deem it, we're walking around with a contraption that allows us to take time away from the computer and have a handheld computer, but it's always allowing us to communicate with the world universally, internationally, locally. It doesn't matter. And what does that do? That has given all technology, all people at the head and the helm of technology, the whole idea that it is best to be able to connect with people in that fashion. And it's been proven that 97% of the people that have a mobile device will actually answer a text. They will answer a text within 60 seconds or less. Isn't that amazing? Well, I want to show you a system that was created and has been long ongoing for several months now and has really just graced us this past week alone and has launched. This system has launched and has precluded another system that was immediately taken down, but has come in and shown us by the many different facets of how we can find success ending 2020, going right into 2021. Well, guys, this is the multiple income funnel. Now, guys, what this funnel does is takes several different opportunities that have stood the test of time, that have given the high network marketers like myself proven blueprints, proven modification, proven landmarks that have been making people serious money at least 5 years ago up until now, and is currently still on fire, or like my daughter would like to say, is still very well lit. Well, guys, what I wanted to tell you is that since I'm going to be sharing this seriously, and I mean seriously, because I've been connected with one of the owners of one of these platforms since 2002, and he does not give anything, absolutely anything, without it having its weight in gold. And I would love to share this with you because I know that because of my long-standing relationship with this young man, that he has done nothing but given the average network marketer, affiliate marketer, the honest, true, tried and blue measure to be successful, whether you're looking for 4 figures a month, 5 figures a year, or 5 figures a month, or 6 figures a year, like myself, and multiple streams of income, you have found a great platform. But maybe some people just don't know how to diversely work with multiple streams of income because you have to share this link and another link and another link and another link. Well, what if all of it is inclusive? And what if all of it is inclusive with a price margin that would be fitting for you and that would make the ease and simplicity of you being able to earn online even more prevalent? Well, guys, this is what we have, the multiple income funnel. And I'm very, very thankful to be associated with it because a long-standing associate and friend of mine has been on direct mail path and came online and has wonderfully, and meticulously been able to create sales funnels that have always converted. And with that, it's just not converting for him, it's converting for every single person that actually taps into any of his sales funnel and decides to run traffic. You might say, well, how do I run traffic? Don't worry. When you join up with me, I assure you that not only do we use the resources within this multiple income funnel, but the resources that I've collected over the years that have proven that allowed me to create multiple six figures in an annual capacity every single year without a hitch. Okay, so guys, I want to take you in a little bit, just show you exactly what comes in the multiple income funnel because the way it is shared, sometimes people might consider it a blind advertisement, meaning they don't know what all is in the funnel. Well, today you're going to find out exactly what is in the funnel. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in here so you'll get a chance to see this, and then you can make a decision as to whether or not this is a platform that you would like to use so that you can create multiple streams of income. Well, guys, here's my friend Mac. And as you all have known over the years, this young man has created multiple millionaire sales funnels that will allow you to be able to create a solid multiple streams of income for yourself and your family. Well, happy holidays to you because now you're finally seeing something that will not only work for you, it will work for anyone that you deem to share it with. And that's why I'm sharing it with you today. Now, guys, I want to go over here. I'm going to line up a little bit so you can actually see what all is involved with this opportunity. And see, you'll see step one, which is watch this video. Step two, set up the income stream. Step three, set up the e-wallet and the back office tour. Now, guys, I'm going to go through this not in great detail because this is truly an introduction to you. And this introduction should give you enough information that allow you to make a decision on the different products that's actually involved and embedded within this system and this sales funnel that give you the decision. You know what? This is a win-win for me, and I want to close out 2020 with a bang and actually take 2021 into a stratosphere of success for me and my family. As you all know, I believe this is your season of not only abundance, but season of freedom, a season that is beyond all other seasons. Guys, I've been telling you this for quite some time now, okay? So, guys, what I want to do is go in here to step two, setting up the income stream so you too can see exactly what income streams are in here, why you will not be surprised why these income streams are in here, and why you should go ahead and set yourself up being involved in this opportunity. So going in here to step two, income stream number one is the system itself. Mac has created this proprietary system that will allow anybody and everybody just to simply run traffic to and convert into nothing but multiple sales. With income stream number one, you have two choices. You have the choice of coming in at $49 a month, okay? And that's right now. Because since we're still in beta launch, this $49 a month is going to turn into $97 a month. And I assure you, the system is worth every penny. But right now it's 50% off at $49 a month, which will enable you to earn $20 per referral that you share this with. Now that's step one on that. One opportunity. The second opportunity with the entry is also a wowzer. This is allowing you to come in because he comes in and says you have 50% off the $97. But what about 50% off an annual subscription? So initially you pay the $49 and then he takes an additional 50% off of the annual, which gives you an opportunity to pay for an annual subscription of $350. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you something. With that $350, any person that comes in, like myself, sees the value in an annual subscription will earn $200 from each annual subscription that is actually purchased through that person's sales funnel, if you're actually at that level. So that is the income stream number one. Because you see, people are going to need the system. They know all of Mac systems convert highly, very highly. And so either grabbing the $49 per month or you grab the annual $399 a year, you're going to end up earning $20 per month, or you're going to end up earning $200 flat fee or flat pricing for any of the annual that comes through your sales system. That's amazing. Income stream number two. Everybody knows that Easy One Up was lit on fire last year with one of our other wonderful, wonderful top tier affiliates by the name of Mr. David Echo. Now, David created a sales funnel and a sales system that allowed many people, even including myself, that had kind of died down from Easy One Up and not really creating a lot of massive sales because of his converting system itself. Even myself earning an additional six-figure income from that David ecosystem, myself alone for 2020. But here with our system that we have here with Mac, you can see that you can even double that or more. Now that's the income disclaimer because I've been an avid marketer for many, 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 many years. But for yourself, you can see where I'm headed on that. You can finally start earning online without an issue because now you have another award-winning converting sales funnel. So Easy One Up is an opportunity that anyone that knows you can come in for as little as $25 all the way up to $2,000, which is our Vertex Live position, maximize the progression, and earn lucratively. This is how people are able to create and generate six-figure annual income or even more. Now, the third income stream is called TechSpot. Now, a lot of you all have been hearing a lot about AI technology and being able to text people at a whim. It has been proven, like I said in the beginning of this video, that 97% of the people will answer their mobile device quicker within 60 seconds of a text being integrated or sent out to their mobile device. That's impressive. And with having TikTok AI infused into this opportunity, we all know that we're heading in the right direction, allowing us to be able to parlay a one-time $100 to the person that owns the sales funnel. Not only that, this is a one-time. This is not a monthly whatsoever. So just imagine the $100 commissions that come in time and time again. Again, these people are coming to your sales funnel because you have actually sent traffic to it. This is something I will share with you later. Our step four is actually, excuse me, our income stream number four is traffic authority. Now, over the years, people have realized that traffic authority has winning traffic. Now, the packages are from $220 all the way up to a very impressive $8,500 in traffic. That will give you anywhere between 120 clicks all the way up to 8,400 clicks. Now, that's impressive. That is not something that you have to immediately come in and do. But what I do encourage people to do is take their placement in traffic authority at whatever level that you feel comfortable at, simply so that you do not miss out on any possible commissions that come through your sales funnel by you sharing and directing some solo ad traffic or traffic to it, whichever way you would like to share the sales system. Now, guys, there are several steps in here that are going to be made aware to you, meaning this sales funnel is very, very simple to set up, not hard whatsoever. We have award winning converting movie capture pages and also static animated capture pages. These capture pages are beautiful. I will not show them here simply because I want you all to have the opportunity to get your information out there to the masses so they too can actually share in the wondrous of having this new multiple income funnel from Mr. Mack. Now, guys, I'm not going to keep you here, but I wanted to let you know one of the things that I'm going to be sharing throughout this 2020 ending and bringing into 2021, and how I feel that you should incorporate this into your entourage of multiple streams of income. Because what this allows you to do is be able to share absolutely one link, but have the potential to earn from four or more opportunities. Now, one of the opportunities that's in here that I love and I'm a part of and I'm fully invested in is called OPM Wealth. And I'm going to go in here and click this so that you can see this. This is one opportunity that I'm involved in, which gives me an impressive earning potential of $1,200 to $16,500 for each particular sale. Again, income disclaimer is imposed. I'm letting you know that only those earnings will come to you based on your efforts and based on your ability to put this funnel out there to the masses so people can see that then not only that you're winning, but they can also win as well. As you can see, we have a bonus income stream number 6. It will be determined by the originator and the creator of the sales funnel, Mr. Mack, to let everybody know that he is only going to be sharing solid, proven opportunities within this lead funnel. It's not going to be something just hypey. It's not going to be just his own creations. As you can see, each one of those have their own prospective owners. And what he is doing, what Mac is doing, is actually putting in here what has been proven, what has been converting, and what is giving people the maximum opportunity to be able to create an income, solid income for themselves. Well, guys, thank you again and welcome to Multiple Income Funnel, where you can finally win. And we'll show you how to win because everybody has a level playing field. No one has one sales funnel different than the other. No one is using different traffic tactics. We all are in this together to win and to be able to elevate ourselves in the coming year in the closing of 2020. So, guys, thank you so much for allowing me to take up some time and show you this system. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to hearing from you. You can email me at askcassandragood@gmail.com so that I can answer any more questions that you may have. I would love to have you on my team and continue to view my channel as I expose many different opportunities that will be coming down the pipe to you and have been founded and proven to be a winning solution for you, closing 2020 and bringing 2021 into a phenomenal year to begin with. Guys, thank you so much. Definitely leave some comments below. Like this channel and share it if you find that there's some value in deciding where you need to place your seeds for a winning closing of 2020 and a winning beginning for 2021. Also, if you're not subscribed on my channel yet, I'd love to have you. You all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy holidays to you, and looking forward to a beautiful, beautiful, prosperous new year to call upon us. Guys, have a good one. Speak to you soon, and bye for now.